Hello everyone, Steve from Cantu Comics here. Today, I'm going to show you how to go from this to this guy right here. So today we'll be making comic book boxes. So let's get started. So with all comic boxes, it comes in two pieces. You have the top, and then you have the actual box part where everything's being stored. So let's go ahead and start with the top part. So as you can see on here, there's all these grooves on here. So it's pretty hard to mess this up. You just kind of follow along with all the fold lines and everything's already kind of die cut for you. So let's go ahead and start with these first pieces. So let's go ahead and fold the sides up. These guys here. And then this is just gonna come right over. And then there's these little lips. They just go right into the holes. So right there, there's one corner already done. And let's do the other side. And fold this over. There you go, easy peasy, there's the top. So the second part, it's a little harder than this because this is really easy just to do the top. But this guy, so let's start making it into the shape of a box. So you're gonna have the little handle parts. There you go, so you can see right here, kind of makes a little T shape. And then we have this flap here, which is gonna kind of keep it together. So these parts of the handles, you're gonna wanna fold them into the flap. Then you're gonna push this piece in and push it in all the way, and then push this right inside. So you probably want to grab it from the inside to push this through, and then line it up. Just go right in and just push it all the way. So once you're here, just start pulling them up. So then they will just come flush with the other pieces. And then this piece just comes right down. Yeah, it's a little hard when I can't see. I'm trying to show you guys. So I gotta go by feel. So there it is. Nice and flush. And then we just pop in the holes for the handles. You're good to go. There we go. One comic box made. All right, now that we have the box made, let's go ahead and throw some books in here. So I just pulled aside, a handful of, well, a little more than a handful of CGC books. We'll just go ahead and start putting some of these guys in here. And see this right here? It's perfectly lined up. This box is specifically designed for CGC graded books. There we go. We got a whole bunch of CGC books in here, all ready to go, all ready to be displayed or stored, whatever you want to do with them, it's here. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. It's definitely shorter than my usual ones, and you probably noticed the environment's a little bit different, which is why I've been very busy lately. A lot of stuff going on in my life, but this is a new place, so this isn't really a permanent setup yet. As you can see, it's just kind of some empty bookshelves over here. And so in the near future, I'm gonna have some really cool videos coming up. So until then, this is Steve with Cantu Comics. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll be here for you guys for all your comic and comic art needs.